Hello everybody, my name is Edward and welcome to Fabulous French Food. Today we're gonna learn how to cook French carbonara. Why French? Because, well, it has nothing to do with the Italian version of it. But that's how we cook it at home, and particularly my mom. So, let's go!
Let's recap the ingredients that we will need. First, bacon. 1 yellow onion, 500 milliliters of sour cream, a box of pasta, in our case spaghettis, some grated Parmesan, olive oil, and salt.
First step is to chop the bacon in small pieces. You can choose any kind of bacon, really. Just make sure that it's not too fat. You have to make sure that there is a lot of pink stuff. That's the meat. That's what you want. Now the funniest part, peeling and cutting the onion. You want to chop off both ends and then you can start peeling it. Fortunately, I'm wearing contacts, which means I'm not gonna cry. I shouldn't cry, at least. Still not crying?
Start boiling some water for the pasta. Do not forget to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of olive oil.
Now that we've got our water on to boil, it's time to start cooking the onion. Add a little bit of olive oil in a non-stick frying pan. Put it on medium heat, approximately 4 or 5. And put your onions in. The next step is to cook the bacon. You don't need a non-stick frying pan because you will want the bacon to stick to the pan. I'll explain this to you later. So just use a regular frying pan. And put it on full heat so that it heats up quickly. Sorry.
Once the onions are a nice golden brown color, add them to the bacon. Reduce the heat to 2.
Our water is boiling, so we're gonna put the pasta in. I'm gonna use the whole box. At the same time, we're gonna start pouring some cream in the frying pan. Look how crispy the bacon is. And all this grease here and the black stuff will be used for the cream sauce.
Reduce the heat again to simmer. Use half of the sour cream first. Mix it with the bacon, the onion and the grease. Add the rest of the sour cream and mix it again. After a couple minutes, your sauce will start turning light brown. That's when it is ready.
The pasta is done. I always overcook it a little bit because I find that cooking times are not accurate. So instead of 10 minutes, I cook them for 12 to 13 minutes. I always try them before I drain them because I don't want any bad surprise. All that is left to do is to add some sauce on top of the pasta. Don't be shy, be generous. And for those who like cheese, do not forget a little sprinkle of Parmesan. Et voilà,